So a lot of you guys have been asking us how you go about and set up your applications for your business on the hub. So I decided I'd create a quick tutorial video for you guys so you can get it all set up, because it's very important that your employees have a way to get into the business, right? We no longer use Google Forms and we're moving away from Discord applications. So every business should have an application form set up on the hub. And today I'm going to show you guys how we go about and do that, right? So you need two things. If you go over to applications and create application, you can name it whatever you want. I would do something like this: Continental Hotel application. For the avatar and the banner, you can use what the business already has. So if you go over to the admin panel and you click edit, you can get the avatar right here. I'll save it here. And then if you go back, edit homepage, get the wallpaper. I'm gonna save that there. All right, and you go back to create application, Continental Hotel application. Go ahead and use the image URL. Put the banner here as well. And there's two formats you can use. You can do the one question at a time, or you can do a full form. I'll show you guys both of them. So let's go ahead and do one question at a time first. So you go ahead and create that. All right, so once that's done, you want to basically add your questions and your fields so that people have something to answer. As you see right now, it's pretty empty. So let's go ahead and do something really basic. Let's see, click on edit field, add field. So here you can select what type of field type you want, and as you can see, they're all listed right below the actual selection bar. So you have text. There is a 125 character limit. You have paragraph, you have multiple choice, you have checklist, you have a separation. That's to outline information that you may want from the applicant. And you also have a drop down to select the department user. And I'll show you all of them right now. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So this first field, I'm gonna call it name. It's gonna be a text type. The field help note basically is a little bit of text under the field that says exactly what you might want the applicant to enter into the field. It's just like a note so they know what they should be putting. So your in-city name, is this required? Yes. All right, so let's do one more paragraph. Why do you want to work with us? Required? Yes. All right, and then we can also do category, which is multiple choice. Let's see, what are we gonna name this? What are your interests? This is something basic, like what are your interests? Finance and metal detecting. Create this field. All right, and then we'll also do a checklist. All right, so basic checklist. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. Create. All right, so after this you can reorder the fields how you would like. So let's say, for example, I want the basic checklist to be asked before the name. You can go ahead and click on reorder fields, then you drag and you bring it up here. So now it's going to be above, and if we save this and you go back to applications and you click on it, as you can see, this is your application for your business. It's pretty simple. You see the little text below asking for your in-city name. Why do you want to work with us? What are your interests? You can only choose one. And then here you can check as much as you want. So it's really verbose and fluid, and it's pretty simple to set up. Let's see. Right, so you can also select a certificate that you would want your employee to have when they apply for this, right? I'll create another tutorial on how to set up certificates for your business, but for now we're going to stick with applications. So let's do another one. Let's call this Continental Application 2. Same thing here, full form. Alright, so let's edit this. Edit field. We have name, required, create application field. And we're just going to do 2 since you guys already know what the rest are. Section break. Once you check something as required, the applicant must enter information into that field or else it won't be able to go through. And then let's do profile drop down. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how this application is all set up. And there you go. You can click the owner of the application. This is the owner of the business, I believe. Yes, Jesus. And that's it, basically. Now, once applications are done, let's fill out this one real quick. Ryan, I don't know. Customer service, submit application. Once someone submits it, you're going to have a notification here and it'll be in pending. So you can go ahead and view submissions. You can read the application, decide whether or not you want to process it. And if you do, you click begin processing. Let's go. Alright. From there, you guys can go ahead and do interviews. And if they're accepted, click accept. And that's how you do applications for your business.